Welcome to the next episode of Neelam, Voice from the Seas. Imagine this: you are living in a home that is so dangerous, even neighbors won't dare to pass it. Yet, a fish family that can live happily in that home. Welcome to one of the ocean's incredible partnership: sea anemones and clownfishes. Sea anemones have a most beautiful flowing tentacles that have stinging cells called nematocysts. These cells are loaded with venom, and any fish that dared to touch would get stung, paralyzed, and then eaten. But not the clownfishes. Clownfishes are naturally born with 2 to 3 times more mucus than the average fishes. This slimy coat makes the clownfish to let them dance naturally in the anemone's tentacles. Now, what does the clownfish give back? Actually, it's a lot of services. 1. The clownfish gives food to the sea anemones. Second, it rips off the parasites that are getting attached to the tentacles. And third, it chases away the butterfly fishes that tries to feed on the anemone's tentacles. These clownfishes are actually acting as a live-in security guards, housekeeping, and delivery services all rolled into one. And here is what scientists have just discovered: that clownfishes can catch the food and deliberately attach to the anemone's tentacles. But wait, clownfishes is not the only tenant in the home. There are spotted porcelain crabs and transparent anemone shrimps that are cohabiting with the clownfishes. Sea anemones gives protection to those tiny creatures, and in turn, sea anemones receive food from those tiny creatures. One anemone, multiple species, all living together to stay happy. But why does this relationship actually matters rather than being just cool? Because mutualistic relationships are an integral part of a coral reef ecosystems to sustain. Without the symbiotic relationships, the coral reefs will not survive. Imagine the sea anemones being a solitary. It cannot move around and find their own food, or it can clean themselves. So the tenants like clownfishes, spotted crabs, and anemone shrimps can help in keeping the sea anemones clean, strong, and healthy, and also provide food for their survival. Clownfishes and other tiny creatures are so small that cannot able to defend themselves, so these sea anemones can give their protection. Alone they may struggle, but together they all can thrive happily and safely. Disruptions in these relationships will have a dominoes effect. If one species in a symbiotic pair getting affected because of environmental stressors, it will affect another species that is entirely relying on them. When we damage coral reefs through pollution, overfishing, and climate change, we are not just harming one species, but we are damaging the entire partnerships of these symbiotic organisms that is taking millions of years to perfect. The ocean always teaches something beautiful. Survival is not about being strongest or fastest. It's all about finding a perfect partner so that you can build your home together. From the smallest shrimp to the grandest whale, ocean is full of incredible partnerships. Each one is a reminder that in nature, life cannot sustain alone, but life can thrive better together. Neelam, Voice from the Seas, is all about exploring these incredible partnerships. Thank you I will see you in the next episode of Neelam, Voice from the Seas.